Imagine a vehicle that's not just a step but a giant leap into the future. A car that doesn't just move you, but moves the entire automotive world forward. Introducing the 2025 Mazda 3 Sedan Hybrid. Buckle up as we take the eco-friendly ride of tomorrow today. Welcome back to the Speed Freak Show, where we dive into the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we have a very special episode for all of you who love making your commute greener without compromising on luxury or performance. We're going hands-on with the all-new 2025 Mazda 3 Sedan Hybrid. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore every curve, every feature, and every innovative piece of technology Mazda has packed into this eco-friendly powerhouse. So if you've been on the hunt for your next vehicle, this might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Stay with us. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Mazda 3 Sedan Hybrid retains the brand's signature Kodo design language with sleek lines that give it an almost animate quality, as if it's poised for motion, even at a standstill. The new hybrid model introduces an aerodynamic silhouette that's not only visually stunning, but also functional, reducing drag to improve fuel efficiency. The cabin presents a harmony of luxury and technology. Premium materials surround you as the dashboard flows elegantly into a state-of-the-art infotainment system. Mazda has always been at the forefront of integrating technology seamlessly into the driving experience, and the 2025 model takes it up a notch. From the head-up display that projects vital information onto the windshield, to the comprehensive suite of iActives and safety features, this car is designed to keep you connected and protected. But the real crown jewel is the hybrid system itself, a true engineering marvel that combines electric efficiency with gasoline power to give you an exhilarating yet eco-conscious drive. Beyond the aesthetics and tech, Mazda hasn't skimped on features either. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure warnings, and an energy regeneration system known as IO-Loop all come standard. Plus, with Mazda Connect, you can sync your digital life to your car with minimal fuss, ensuring that you stay connected wherever the road takes you. Mazda's famed for injecting excitement into every drive, and the 2025 Mazda 3 Sedan Hybrid doesn't stray from this philosophy. The chassis is engineered for agility. The steering is precisely tuned, and the suspension strikes a balance that's hard to come by. Comfort in the daily drive coupled with enthusiasm in the twists and turns that thrill enthusiasts. In wrapping up, the 2025 Mazda 3 Sedan Hybrid stands out as a remarkable blend of efficiency, luxury, and driving joy. It's a car that doesn't just promise a sustainable future. It delivers a thrilling present. Mazda has clearly put a lot of effort into making this not just another hybrid sedan, but the hybrid sedan that will turn heads and change minds about what eco-friendly driving can be. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.